Hi, I'm Holly from Clade Dahlia software, and today I want to walk you through the basics of how to use Clade to replace your current spreadsheet or to start a spreadsheet if you don't have one. The first 20 varieties are totally free, so feel free to check it out. You can see I already have a bunch of varieties in here that I grow. You can track all the information on where you have them, how many you're selling, the price, all of that information. There's the ability to share your inventory with others. If you want to share with a florist, with someone you're trading with, whoever you want to share, you can decide which fields you want to share. You can attach pictures if you have pictures. You can also filter and sort through your inventory, which I find really helpful. Now, the reason that I can keep this up to date is that there's a lot of features in here to help you automatically update your inventory. For example, you can go ahead and import order confirmations as you purchase new tubers. So for example, I just purchased a bunch of tubers at North Cascade. I'm a little obsessed with Bloomquist varieties, so forgive me for having so many. But once you do that purchase, you can simply print that or save the printed view in your email and then come here and add it. And you can see here are all the tubers that I purchased, 16 of them, and then anywhere that we already have ADS color, form, size, bloom size, it automatically pulls that in. Also, the AI knows that I bought all these at North Cascade and how much I bought them for, and I can import that data. Now I have a bunch more varieties in here to play with. There are other modules to track dividing, planting, cut flower. I won't go through those today. I'll also go through a little bit. There is reporting, which is really helpful, a calendar, but the other thing that's really helpful this time of year is our catalog feature. So there are over 50,000 varieties in this catalog, and you can look through and see what's going on. You can see new introductions that I put in here for 2026. And then there's suppliers. So if you're doing a bunch of shopping like me, you may want to know who is open for sale, who has upcoming sales, and you can see all of that here. There are over several hundred suppliers at this point. Let's see how many. 557 as of today, and I'm always adding more. So I hope this helps. Again, free. All this part is free, and then the inventory is free for 20 varieties. So I really hope that this helps the community and all the folks who now use spreadsheets, which are really hard to maintain. I've done that myself in the past. So give me a holler if you have any questions.